Hey, everybody, this is Hunter, and today I am back with an absolute behemoth of a fifth wheel. This is the 2022 Salem Hemisphere 378FL. This thing has 5 slides and 2 stories. This thing is huge. Dry weight wise, probably puts you just above 12,000 pounds, something like that. But before we go into the tour here, I just want to show you kind of a view of the lot. Most of these here are sold, but we are starting to see inventory trickle back in as things kind of settle in. Not to normal times, sales are still through the roof, but to a little bit more normal, to the point where we can start getting a little bit of inventory in. So that's definitely nice. But today I'm going to go on the inside, give you a nice little tour, open up all the cabinets, then swing back around the outside, show you a couple things like the pass-through storage, marine grade speakers, and kind of show you what this thing is about. But again, the 2022 Salem Hemisphere 378FL, the 2-story camper. Now, actually, about a year ago, I posted one of these up on TikTok. This video actually got 5 million views. So, everyone is interested in seeing what a 2-story camper looks like. Well, this is going to be your kitchen area. Give you a quick little view of that. You got right here, you got a starter kit on the seat. Got a couple slides out there with some couches, TV that raises up, raises up to block off kind of where that window is. But very cool floor plan, one meant to sleep, plenty of people. You got your bathroom right here. Stairs to go up there to that little loft area. And then you got your bedroom right here. But today I'm going to go ahead and start in the kitchen. And if you guys like RV videos, help me out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Goes a long way to helping me out making these videos, make a couple extra bucks, and more importantly, gain some exposure as an RV salesman. That is always the goal. Let more people know about us and our great pricing. I work for RV Nation, the largest dealership in the country in terms of sales here at the moment, and it's been going really well. But the first thing you notice when you walk in, you got this beautiful island kitchen set up. I like what they did with the backsplash for the 22s. You have a really nice kind of light fixture right there with, whatever they call that little boxed in area. I think it looks really nice. This right here, you got some metal. You got a ceiling up on the roof. That creates some really good circulation. Everyone knows that has RVs. They can get a little stuffy if you don't have some circulation going on. But you got this island right here. You got nice accent lighting underneath, which you can turn off. You have some outlets right here to plug some stuff in. Got my gimbal case. But right around here, you got this really nice size sink. A single bowl, undermounted stainless steel bowl. Little drying rack comes with it. And you have a residential faucet. So that way you can zip around, hit all your dishes from all angles, get them extra clean. And you have plenty of storage here underneath. Let me open this up. So as you can see, plenty of storage there underneath this island. So that's always nice to have. The killer in a lot of campers is, even though they are large, they don't come with a lot of storage. This is, kind of one of the exceptions on this floor plan. There is cabinets and storage everywhere. And they sneak in some countertops, places like this right here. So you got plenty of countertop space. You have outlets right over here along with your settings. So that way you can set, your heating, your cooling. You also have a little interface right there, which I'm not going to go too much into, but, you can play around with different lights and, diagnostics, all that good stuff. So above here, you got some more cabinets. You got this really nice looking design here in the glass. So plenty of storage there, as you can see. Each one also has this little lip, so you don't have to worry about things falling up through. Just another way of kind of catching some stuff. And above, up top, you have a little bit of extra storage, right up there. And if you guys are in the market for a camper, please, email me at hunter@thervhunter.com. I would love to be your salesman, at least get the opportunity to be your salesman and show you why, even with shipping nationally, I can save you money on a camper all the way from Ohio, even if you're in California. So you got plenty of storage there. You have your Furrion oven. Let's get a light on. So you got some room for some cooking. You got a 3 stovetop burner. Nice looking backsplash. Outlet right there. And some more storage to the left. And then above, you have your Furrion microwave. We all know what those do. Additional cabinet. And this customer, typically they come with a residential refrigerator. This customer did opt to put in the 13 cubic foot gas and electric. So quite possibly they're doing a little bit more, kind of off the beaten path type camping. Something to where they need to use, the propane. Maybe they're not always hooked up to electric. So that is an option. You can also write in an option to have this thing generator prepped if you would like as well. If you do some of that more, off the beaten path camping, that is available as well. I believe that runs you $450, $550, something like that to get it prepped up. But it's nice to have if that's the kind of camper you are. Right next to the door here, you got yourself a nice table with a little leaf that you can pull up. So you got seating for 4. Play some cards, drink some brewskis, have some dinner. And you'll notice all these, all the windows here come with these blackout shades. So you can get your Dracula on if you'd like. I like what they did with the design too. It's looking sharp. And if you guys want to see more specs, on the weight, the length, width, all that good stuff, height, check out my comments. I'm going to go ahead and copy paste everything from the manufacturer site. So you're good there. But when you come up here to the FL portion, the front living, you have tons of extra sleeping space. This couch right here and this couch over here both fold out to meet in the middle for one absolutely massive sleeping area. So that is definitely great. It's nice and versatile, that you can kind of hang it up and put it away. You also have these nice reclining chairs right here. I like how open it feels. I like the design there of the floor. This area right here, this looks clean and crisp around the edges. You got lights that you can click on and off. And then you have your nice fireplace right here. That goes up to 100 degrees, so it will save you a lot of money in terms of propane. You can heat this entire area just off of that electric fireplace alone. So right here, you got yourself a window. So you can see outside, get yourself a good view of a lake or something like that, hopefully. Or you can hit this button right here for the TV lift. Pretty quick, pretty quiet, pretty smooth. It gives you a little look at that, but it's pretty nice. So right here, you have your, your AM, FM, you have a DVD player. You can go ahead and put a DVD in there, all that. You also have zones for inside and outside. If you want to put music on inside, or outside, or both sides, you're good to go. You also have a little USB port and all that. Definitely something to play around with. Pretty standard. You got some speakers built in right there. Those things get loud for sure. You have some outlets over to the side. You got some lights that you can turn on, some accent lighting right there. More outlets over here to the right, along with 2 USB ports. Storage to the right and to the left. And then you also have additional storage on either side, just like that as well. And the identical thing, right over here. And if there's something you'd like to see for next time, please drop a comment. Let me know what I can do a little bit better for you. Always want to improve these videos if I can. View of the kitchen here coming down, and you're going to see this. This is really nice, just a little added little piece. Just kind of adds to the look. You shut this door. All right. So right here we got the control panel. You got all your slide outs right there. You got your lights, your tank heater, water heater, and water pump. So this thing is, the tank heaters allow you to go deeper into the season a little bit later than you normally would. It's also a little bit better insulated than most campers. You got some of the guys checking the prepping of some other ones. So I'm going to get this door closed here before you hear something that you shouldn't. All right, so into the bathroom we go. Let's turn on this light. As you can see, nice size shower, plenty of height. You'd have to be probably about 11 feet tall to bunk your head on that. You got a little skylight. You got some baskets there. The porcelain throne. Nice little sink with some storage. And right here on the wall, you do have a couple outlets. You also have your max air vent controls. And that would be for right there. So if you're showering, you can turn that on, you know, get some of that steam out of there. So that's to the upstairs. I'll show you that here in just a moment. But first, we got the bedroom. So this right here slides out. You got your control right here for that. Very simple. Some storage underneath, and as you can see, that is pretty darn deep. So that's nice to have. Really great big window back here. Just want to show you that real quick. But look how much, you know, how large this window is, how much space you have for a nice view. All right, so you got a place to hang up a TV right there. You could probably put about a 50-inch. You also have a dresser, you know, and some additional little closet space to put some hanging items in. Your dressers, you got 6 of those. Couple USB ports stowed away right there and some outlets. That way you can feed a power cord into Harry Potter's dwelling. You can also put a washer and dryer back there. You got your water hookups right here, or you can use it as a hanging closet. All right, now we head on upstairs. Get this light on here. So there is another light there over at the end. But as you can see, awesome little hideout for some kiddos. Got yourself some cubbies over there. Place to put a TV. You also have some outlets back there along with USB ports on either side, left and right. And you got another little cubby right there in the middle. One more peek at the inside, then I'll step around the out for a couple moments. And I'll get you guys on out of here. But yeah, again, if you guys like RV videos, please make sure to subscribe for me. Definitely helps me out, or at least drop a comment and say, hey. All right, so again, this is the 2022 Salem Hemisphere 378FL. You got your marine grade speakers right there. Nice pass-through storage in here. You got yourself a little light that you can click on. This cracks me up, but you got a bottle opener. And this is gen prepped, like I said, so that way you can go ahead and hit that start-stop right there. Once you have a generator installed, you have a battery disconnect, but a lot of space in that pass-through. You also have a really nice size awning that goes all the way clear from here over that other door with an LED light there, you know, the whole way. And all the slides here are going to be prepped for awning toppers. This customer already opted to put them on. It is me. It's really me.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Here you go. We'll take a little break here.
Oh my God, Hunter!
Woohoo! Sorry guys, when you get tens of views, you get fans just like that. So now heading around the back, this camper, you know, it is a very, very tall camper with that second story. So you need to have a ladder, you know, for all your maintenance. But you can get on top. It's a fully walkable roof. Check all the seals of your slide toppers, you know, and all that good stuff. You also have a Furrion observation camera that you can opt to put on there. Runs you about 550 bucks. Very useful item to have. Got this new skirting here for 2022. This camper also has 6-point auto leveling. So that's nice to have. One click of a button and your camper is nice and level for you. You got your docking station with a little shower, your city connection, fresh water connection, hot water bypass, you know, all that good stuff. Ready to roll. But that about wraps it up here for today. Once again, my name is Hunter. Make sure to like and subscribe for me. And this was the 2022 Salem Hemisphere 378FL. Have a great day. Bye.